Okay, so we have kind of broken down our problem into pseudocode, and so I just want to talk about how are we going to actually pseudocode this up. Okay, so bisect the list, that's pretty good pseudocode, right? And then there's, create two lists, one for the right half, one for the left half, right? And then you recursively call merge sort. And so you have to count on, and this is the sort of difficult part for your brain to handle. These lists that are coming out right and left are now sorted, right? I'm going to actually assign right to merge sort and left to merge sort at left. And so now all we have to do is merge the sorted lists. The other thing we have to handle is the else statement. So we want to basically return nums here. Otherwise, we're going to return sorted list, right? So I'm going to give myself a place to put the sorted list. I don't really need to not define extra space because we're already creating a call stack that just like gets progressively larger. So we're already kind of using up a whole bunch of space. We're using space for this. So merge sort is not the most efficient in terms of its space usage, and you can make it better. But if you're starting to like make merge sort better, you need to just switch to another sort rather than trying to improve too much your merge sort space usage. So I'm going to create myself a sorted list and set that to nothing. It's empty, and then what I want to do is, until both lists are or until at least one list is empty. What you want to do is give, append, or no, check, there we go. What you want to do is check the head nodes of each list, or the head element, the 0th element, right? Check the first element of both lists. Append the smaller element to the sorted list. So I'll put that over, and then that, and then once one list is empty, concatenate the rest of the other list, right? So whichever list was empty, you want to concatenate that both. I recommend using the extend function here. So if you had sorted list dot extend right and sorted list dot extend left, basically whichever one of these is not empty will add its remaining elements to the end, but whichever one is empty will add nothing, because extending an empty a list with an empty list just doesn't do anything. So that's the basic outline of merge sort. It's a recursive algorithm, and so you have to kind of watch it execute to really get an idea of how it works. Try solving it using Python syntax from here. And if you can't solve it using Python syntax, we're going to just walk over the code in Python Tutor in the next video.